Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindful Mysteries. Today, we're exploring one of the world's biggest mysteries, the Bermuda Triangle. But first, let me ask you some cool questions. What if your compass suddenly stopped working in the middle of the ocean? What if 5 planes disappeared and were never seen again? And why have so many ships and planes vanished in one special part of the ocean? These questions have puzzled people for years. Let's dive into the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle and find out more. It's December 5, 1945. At 2:10 p.m., 5 U.S. Navy planes, called Flight 19, took off from Florida for a regular training mission. There were 14 people on board, led by a skilled pilot named Lieutenant Charles Taylor. Everything was normal until something strange happened. About 2 hours into the flight, Taylor said their compasses stopped working. Even the backup compasses didn't work. The pilots didn't know where they were. The weather got worse, and everyone got confused. Taylor thought they were over the Gulf of Mexico and told the planes to fly east. But some crew members thought they should fly west. The last message from Taylor came at 7:04 p.m., and then all 5 planes vanished. They were never found. To make things even stranger, a rescue plane sent to find Flight 19 also disappeared with its 13 crew members. Despite a big search, no trace of the planes or crew was ever found. This mysterious area, called the Bermuda Triangle, is a big part of the ocean between Miami, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. Over 100 planes and ships have disappeared here over the years, and no one knows why. There is a famous case of the USS Cyclops, a Navy ship that disappeared in 1918 with 306 people on board. During World War I, it disappeared. Another odd story is about a ship called Ellen Austin in 1881. It found a deserted ship near the Bermuda Triangle. After putting a new crew on the empty ship, it too disappeared and came back without the new crew. This happened again and again. So, why do people think the Bermuda Triangle is so mysterious? Let's look at some scientific ideas that might explain what's happening. A. Magnetic anomalies. The Earth has a magnetic field, which is like a giant invisible magnet. When you use a compass, it points to the magnetic North Pole. But in the Bermuda Triangle, there might be places where the magnetic North Pole and the geographic North Pole are not in the same spot. This could make compasses go crazy and confuse pilots and sailors. It's like trying to follow a map that keeps changing. B. Methane hydrates. Under the ocean, there are areas with lots of methane gas trapped in the sea floor. If this gas suddenly escapes, it can make the water less dense. Imagine you are floating on a pool toy, and someone suddenly lets the air out, it will sink, right? The same thing can happen to ships if the water density changes suddenly. This could make ships sink quickly without any warning. C. Hurricanes and storms. The Bermuda Triangle is known for having a lot of hurricanes and storms. Hurricanes are giant wind and rain storms that can be very dangerous. In this area, storms can appear very suddenly and be very powerful, which can make it hard for ships and planes to stay safe. D. Baader-Meinhof Effect. Frequency illusion. This is a fun idea from psychology. It says that when we start to notice something more, we start seeing it everywhere. If you learn about the Bermuda Triangle, you might start noticing more stories about disappearances in that area. But similar things happen in other parts of the ocean too, we just don't pay as much attention to them. Even though there are many exciting stories and theories about the Bermuda Triangle, scientists say that it's not more dangerous than other parts of the ocean. Thank you for joining me on this journey into one of the world's greatest mysteries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next adventure into the unknown. Stay tuned for more exciting mysteries from around the globe, right here on Mindful Mysteries. See you next time.